Put it back in the blue. Put it back in the blue. Yeah, you can have that one. No. You don't need it. No. Ah. Don't you know your colors?
He doesn't know his colors yet.
Alright, Jack, pick it up and put it in here. Next to it. Yep, there you go. Wow, that one came out really red.
Okay.
Look at that green one. Whoa.
Wow, they're pretty, huh?
I can't even know it.
They're really colorful.
Wow. Look at all those eggs you made. Geeks. Geeks.
Well, dump this on water.
Oh, we gotta dump the water.
Nope.
There goes the blue.
No blue. You know, Jack, you're going to take them and walk them behind the house here? Listen to Noni. Take a bucket, take the pink one, or the yellow one. Don't dump it in there. Take it behind the house here. Okay, dump.
No. Can't be. Girls on his arm.
You got to let him play with something. His hands are blue? Oh,
Did you
boy.
kill a Smurf?
Tap the doors over. That's the one that
That was good. Look how good they came out.
They did.
Right?
I'll smell them.
You want to smell them?
What do they smell like?
Like smell. We'll have to try and smell them.
Yeah, wait till they dry.
No. No. Damn it. It looks like candy.
They
Smell like candy. Okay, pick this up. Stand up.
Okay.
Stand up. No, without the eggs.
It looks like that.
Oh my god, look at your hand. Oh my god.
I heard Kool-Aid doesn't come off.
He's even crushing it.
It looks like snow.
Oh, look.
Whoa.
Yeah, Kevin, oh. Listen.
No.
All right. Jack, stand up.
Okay.
Let's go.
Okay.
Now take one of those cups. Take the pink one.
Yep.
Take the pink one.
Where's the pig?
Not the egg, the cup. Lift it up.
Kev, you are a Smurf.
Stand up.
Okay.
Can you do it standing up?
Stand up.
Okay,
Walk
now
behind them.
go over there
Yeah.
and dump the water. Over there, by the tree. Go by the tree.
I tapped it.
Okay, now do the next one. You got to do all those cups.
I think it would have been okay with just the Kool-Aid. No. You are a monster. Look at you. You got blue on your lip. You got blue everywhere.
Let me see your hands.
Say hi.
Give me a high five.
Wave.
High five.
High
High
five.
five. Good. Give it to Nancy. Take the green one. Okay. Got it? Okay, don't get it on you. Go dump it. Okay?
Nope.
Perfect.
Whoa, it's
You
right.
got one more to go.
No.
Here.
Thank you. Yellow.
What color is that, Jack?
Lolo.
Lello.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, go slow. Perfect. Oops. You okay? That's all right. No problem. Get the cup. The cup. The cup. Okay. Good job. Uh-oh, here comes Mr. Trouble. Kev?
Oh, look at these clothes. Look at you got all these clothes.
Okay, come on.
I will carry Easter eggs.
You want to carry the Easter eggs?
You have this.
Thank you.
I'll carry the Easter eggs.
Okay, put them on the kitchen.
Okay.
We'll put them on the dining room table for
Oh,
now.
put them on the dining room table. Okay?
Go to stay.
I'm watching you, honey. Where are you?
Over here.
Okay.
Where's the clothes? Over here.
You put it on the table. Okay, good.
Oh.
Perfect. Thank you. Say see you later.
Oh, see it.
Wait, we're gonna